the bare truth about something is not very beautiful. It's not very easy. We probably will find darkness if we go very deep. But Pluto, every now and then, is pushing us in that direction. And especially through the transits of Pluto, we are urged to go into territories which are uncomfortable. But this is always necessary. Pluto never brings a crisis without reason. And the crisis, as negative in terms of the emotion they cause or the challenge they cause in us, they're never in the long term something that has deprived us of something that we really needed. Pluto is always in the habit of removing from our lives what we no longer need and then blocking potential that is still waiting to be developed. But there are barriers there, or there are self-imposed restrictions that we are never willingly going to remove ourselves unless something makes us to. And it doesn't need to be so dramatic and so imposed, because if we are a bit more cautious about the cycles of Pluto, how Pluto travels over our chart, for example, looking at where Pluto is currently in your chart, through which house is it transiting, maybe you can cooperate with it. Maybe you can do with your own initiative certain Plutonian things in that house and avoid the drama of having to be made forcefully to do it because of external circumstances. So at the end of the day, maybe nothing bad is going to happen. In any case, planets don't cause any events directly. They don't make things happen. They just regulate the timing of change, especially that kind of change which requires radical transformation. Certain energies in the zodiac, if you have them more in your birth chart, like Scorpio, for example, would make you a bit more receptive to the idea of radical changes or total transformation in a certain area of your life. But you might have a lot of resistance to that if you have other energies which are counter to this.